No phone icon on my Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have not hidden the phone application on your device. So just go for the settings and check if you have hidden the application. If you have hidden it, then tap on unhide and you'll be able to get that on your app list. If not, you can also go to the Play Store application and on the search bar you can just search for phone and you'll be able to see the Phone by Google application. Just tap on it and you'll be able to download the Google Phone by Google. So here you can see the Phone by Google application on my device. Now you just have to make a long press and drag it to the home screen and you'll be able to get that on your Android phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.